close the door back.
We got meat!
He's bad, man. He won't come out.
Meat! Come on. Come on, sweetie. Braylon! We got the meat! Oh, and Santa ate our cookies! Oh, and our stockings! Look! We got meat, Braylon!
Oh my gosh, Santa did
Oh, and I got my remote control Star Wars ship. Wait,
Come on, Briggs don't want to go, but you can. Come on.
Come on.
Come on.
You got toys? You ready? Go see.
Go, Briggs, go.
Come on. You got something cool. Go see. What is it?
You got Thomas. Watch Thomas go.
What'd you get? Whoa.
He crashed.
Come on, you see yours?
She's like, who's that over there?
The dog. She's kind of.
Here.
He went crazy.
On a leash.
It's okay, you got some other stuff.
Come on. Yeah, she's a little dog sensitive, but she'll get over it quick. Here, come here. Oh, sorry. Move. Move.
I caught it.
Mike, move.
I can't. I can't. Oh, Blinky! Look